Now, if your MacBook has a Li-ion battery and you'd like to extend the lifespan of that battery, then it's recommended that you keep the charge somewhere between the 20 and 80% range. If it drops below 20% or goes above 80%, you can significantly reduce the lifespan of your battery. So I've already installed it using Homebrew, so I can jump into my Launchpad, and here is AlDente. So I'll launch that and open it. And I will install the helper, so I'll click OK, and then throw in the old password. And the helper is now installed, and this is running in the background. So AlDente is trying to connect to the internet. I can easily block that from here, and then run through the setup. So I'll click the right arrow. Yep, it's already installed, so I'll click already installed, and then I'll run through these. So I'll open the settings, and I'll move this to the right a little bit. What's this over here in the background? Check for updates. I'll click don't check, and then next I'll click on this info icon next to battery health, and for optimized battery charging I'm going to disable that, and I'll turn this off completely, and then click done. And with that done, I can now click the next arrow, and for this I'll just skip that, and I'll use the free version. And that is now working, so it is now going to limit at 80%. Cool, so I'll click on the preferences icon, and firstly I'll quickly check for updates. Put that up there, and I will enable launch at login, and then jump into the update error. That's because I've actually blocked this in Lulu. So if I wanted to unblock this in Lulu, I'll jump into the rules, and I'll show the rules. And as you can see, I have the AlDente blocked here, so I'll delete that rule, and I can close out of Lulu, and I'll cancel that and try it again. So check for updates, and I'll allow this temporarily this time. We're up to date, brilliant. So I'll click OK, and next I'm going to jump into Appearance, and I'll disable Show at Startup, and also show the dock icon. And that's it. I've now configured AlDente, so I can close that now, and I'll minimize system settings.